Introduction to Inquiry-Based Learning. Inquiry and research are closely related terms involving investigative work to seek information. Inquiry focuses on asking questions about a topic of curiosity, while research involves discovering truths through systematic, scientific investigation. This presentation will explore the nature of inquiry, its foundations, and benefits in the learning process. By the Mentalist Teacher. Understanding inquiry. Inquiry is a learning process that motivates obtaining knowledge through investigation or questioning. Process it involves collecting and examining data about the object of inquiry. Thinking skills inquiry requires various thinking strategies, from lower order to higher order skills. Active learning. Engaging in multiple ways of thinking makes inquiry an active learning process. Foundations of Inquiry-Based Learning. John Dewey. Theory of Connected Experiences for Exploratory and Reflective Thinking. Lev Vygotsky. Zone of Proximal Development, ZPD, emphasizing provocation and scaffolding in learning. Jerome Bruner. Theory on learners' varied world perceptions for interpretative thinking. Elements of Inquiry-Based Learning. Changing knowledge. Adapting understanding as new information is discovered. Creativity. Generating original ideas and solutions. Subjectivity. Recognizing personal perspectives in interpretation. Socio-cultural factors. Considering the influence of social and cultural contexts. Methods of inquiry. Fieldwork. Conducting research in real-world settings. Case studies. In-depth analysis of specific situations or examples. Investigations. Systematic exploration of a topic or problem. Group projects. Collaborative research and problem solving. Research work. Comprehensive study and analysis of a subject. Benefits of inquiry-based learning. Elevates interpretative thinking. Improves learning abilities. Widens vocabulary. Facilitates problem solving. Increases social awareness. Encourages cooperative learning. Provides procedural knowledge. Encourages higher order thinking. Hastens conceptual understanding. Increases cultural knowledge. Inquiry in the 21st century. Digital age. Inquiry-based learning adapts to modern technology, enhancing research capabilities and access to information. Globalization. Inquiry promotes understanding of diverse perspectives and global issues in an interconnected world. Knowledge explosion. Inquiry skills help navigate and make sense of the vast amount of information available in the modern era. Conclusion. The power of inquiry. Critical skill. Inquiry-based learning is crucial for success in the 21st century across various fields. Lifelong learning. It fosters a mindset of continuous questioning and exploration. Adaptability. Inquiry skills help navigate the challenges of a rapidly changing world. Empowerment. It empowers learners to take control of their own learning process and discoveries.